welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a try on video with TTDEYE. I am so thankful that they reached out to me and they sent me some contacts that I was able to pick out what kind I would like to try on for y'all and review. So yeah, so I'll be doing a try on. So I'll be showing y'all TTDEYE contacts, and I'll for sure have a discount code linked in my description, and I have it right here so you get 10% off. And let me read on my phone so I won't forget what things I need to say, honestly, because I don't want to forget. Okay, so coupon code is Danyel and Anyssa for 10% off. So you get 10% off when you buy one contact. But you buy 2, you get 1 free, and you buy 3, you get 2 free, and you buy 5, you get 5 free. I'm gonna show y'all. So when you open up the box, super cute. It says so TTDEYE right there. The little card that it comes with says hello, and it says like it's accounts and stuff back here and contact info, and it comes with some cute stickers. So it has just the eye hat, really super cute stickers, and it comes with the contacts. I opened it and I realized I should have saved the box, but you get 4 contacts. Well, these are 3 right here, and then I opened one and it's in here already. So I got these contacts, so let me show you. So the ones are in here. It's the yellow packaging and it's the Taylor Brown contacts. So I'm going to show y'all those first. They're in here. 4 contacts, and it comes with each its own case, and it comes with a little applicator thing. So it comes with the applicator, it comes with the tweezers, and it comes with the case. So that's great. And it also comes with these super cute like little eye glitters, and they're cute, and they're little hearts. How cute is that? So they come with these little hearts. Love that. It's a cute, will be really cute with eye look. And it came with this mirror. How nice is that? So it comes in this packaging, and it says TTDEYE, and it has a little mirror. So that's super cute of them. And oh, also it comes with tattoos of avocados. That is so cute. Avocado and a pear, I believe. So I got 3 of them. Avocado and pear stickers. How freaking cute. That is a vibe. That's so aesthetic pleasing. So I want to say thank you to TTDEYE for sending me some contacts. So now we're gonna try on the Taylor Brown. So what they're supposed to look like. So they're supposed to look like those brown colors. So you always want to make sure your hands are clean before you touch anything on your eyes, because you don't want to get an infection. So I don't have the case, but I'm going to use the thing right now here. So I have no contacts, and my eyes are just like dark brown. I just realized that the Taylor Brown ones were dried out. I can't believe that. So I can't be able to try the Taylor Brown ones on for y'all. I'm so sad. They're really dried out. Oh my god. They're like, I can't put them in my eyes. So, but I'll leave a picture of how they look like, and I'll show you what other people look like, but I couldn't put them on for y'all. I'm so sorry. They like dried out, so I don't know what happened. There was solution in there. So we're gonna try, and I really wanted to try those. Okay, so we're gonna try these green looking ones. We're gonna try these green contacts. These look really cute. I'm gonna open up the case. Okay, so we're gonna try these green ones on next. I'm so sad those dried out. I'm like, really? Like, what the heck? So the next ones are Taylor Green Eye. So these are the Taylor Green ones, and they look super cute. Focus. So yeah, those look like that. Oh, these are my eyes. Hey, so I put them on and they look super cute. Like, I really like these. These are really cute. So these are the contacts, Taylor Green. So I'm gonna bring them up closer. So that's what they look like. They're very like, these are so good for brown eyes because they're not too like, oh my god, they look very natural, honestly. Oh shit. They look so natural, and I actually really like them. They look really natural, and they look like my mom's contacts. And I'm like, because I want to be like my mom. She has color contacts, and I really like these. So the Taylor Green are 10 out of 10. Taylor Green. Every contact will be linked down below. So this is Taylor Green. These are really cute. I like these. Ah, oh my god, I look like a bad me. So yes, so 10 out of 10 of these for sure. They look super good. So these are Taylor Green. So okay, so the next contacts I'm gonna be trying on are these pink ones. So let me find the name for y'all. So these next ones I'm trying on, I guess they're tailored purple. I don't know which ones are which because I don't see the name. But I believe these are the tailored purple. So the pink packaging are Tyler purple. So we're gonna put these on and we're gonna open up a new package. Okay, so these are the Taylor purple ones, and I say 10 out of 10 recommend these two because they're so beautiful and they're so natural. They're not so intense, but on camera they do show like they're very intense, but they're not really intense. They're very like subtle. They're cute. They're their boo. So these are very beautiful. They do feel very comfortable, to let y'all know, and they sit on perfect. I feel actually nothing in my eyes, like just like nothing, because I'm a person that does not wear contacts. I do have glasses, but I hardly wear them. But just to say, these feel really good. So 10 out of 10, 100% recommend these. So we're on to the last pair. So the last pair is gonna be the blue contacts. So this is gonna be really different. I'm excited to have some blue contacts on. So we're gonna take these off and then we're gonna put those on. So let's get to it. Hey boo, so I just realized I told you there were blue ones, but they're actually gray ones. So these are gray ones that have a little bit of blue on the outside and yellow on the inside. I'm not really good at explaining, but these are what they look like, and they look super amazing. So these are the last pair of contacts. I hope you guys love them. I 10 out of 10 recommend these. I like them too. So I love every one of them. I'm so sad that I didn't get to try the brown ones, but I bet they were pretty bomb. So yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. These are very comfortable. To let you know, I have a discount code link down below. It'll give you 10% off. You buy 2, you get 1 free. You buy 3, you get 2 free. And you buy 5, you get 5 free. So go right now to TTDEYE and go get y'all some cute contacts. These are so trendy, very aesthetic. These are good for dark brown eyes, and I 10 out of 10 recommend. So boots, don't you just love this? These are like really cute. So yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoyed my video. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you haven't already, please don't forget to turn on notifications to be notified every time I post a new video. And if you have any questions, leave a comment down below and I'll respond as fast as I could. I want to say thank you to TTDEYE for sending me some contacts, and I truly am so grateful and thankful for them, and they are amazing. So I 10 out of 10 recommend these contacts. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below. So yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoyed my video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.